What's up, guys? It's TJ with another video, and in this video we're talking about voting. So hey, if you have a founders node and you're running on a VPS, how do you vote? So I'm going to show you guys that in this video, so let's get into it. Hey, I'm posting tips and tricks about founders nodes, so if you're not already, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We talk about all kinds of cool stuff like crypto, NFTs, crypto gaming. We hit it all. So make sure you guys subscribe. I appreciate it. All right, let's get into it. So I use Vultr for my VPS. If you are having trouble with your VPS, consider using our link in the description because it runs really smooth and nice on Vultr. That's what Gala recommends in their setup documentation, so that's who I went with. So if you're not using Vultr, just log into your console, just like when you set up your node. For me, I'm just going to click this button that says View Console. So this opens up the console, and now I can run commands on the node. So to vote, it's super simple. All you have to do is type Gala -node space vote, and then hit enter. And boom. All right, that pulls up the vote. This is the current vote we have right now where, you know, where all the node owners that are founder nodes are deciding, hey, should we give betwixt this new game $1 million out of the Gala Games development fund? So there we go. And then whenever that loads, it takes a second because when you're using your console, you can't use the mouse, right? So after a few seconds, I hit tab, and that put me down to where it says yes. And then once I hit tab, now I can use the up and down arrow keys to vote between yes, no, or abstain. And then once you get done with that, you're just going to go down to submit and hit submit. And then you're good to go. So that's how you vote on a VPS when you have a Gala Games founders node. So hey, if this video helped at all, please give us a thumbs up so that YouTube knows that we're putting out great content. I really appreciate you guys. If there's any other videos you guys would like to see, or if you have questions about your node, make sure you drop them down in the comments below. Appreciate it. See you guys in the next video.